Piny owacho okwa mondo obii gi yore mag jiwo jotije mag piny owacho e tijegi kaka yo mar chwalo tich matek e kind jotijegigo. Koloso e kaunti ma Mombasa e kinde mane iyango lipot mar tije mag jotij piny owacho, jakom mar kar tiegruok mar Institute of Customer Experience ICX owacho ni nonro margi yango ni kwan mathoth mag jotije mag piny owacho chunygi osebedo ka tho e tijegi, okang' ma bende osebedo ka thiro dongruok mag tije, ka jotelogo bende okwayo piny owacho mondo ne kaka inyalo ked gi ng'ikruok mosebedo ka neno e sektas mopogore e pacho ka, moriwo kang'anyo.
It's been great conversations talking about how it is important for every organization to take care of its people so that they can take care of business, take care of the customer, who is key for the success of any business.
This survey has told us that we need to pay attention to employees to be able to have excellent customer experiences. The survey was touching on employee net promoter score. How do employees feel at work? It also looked at employee effort score. We were also looking at emerging issues of diversity, inclusion, environmental, social, governance, COVID and risk factors, and what needs to happen in this space for businesses and organizations to run well.
We're seeing that female respondents are still finding it challenging. Their scores were significantly lower compared to the male respondents. So a lot of work to be done in that area.
So in listening to the critical issues that came out of that survey, for me, the number one takeout is essentially where the Gen Z sit. And some of the changes and the responsibilities that we have as leaders in terms of how we work in our organizations to facilitate for environments that encourage and welcome the Gen Zs to be able to thrive and deliver for organizations like ours.